don't wanna cry no more.
Fucking crushed it.
I seen years go by, but band been flying more. Yes.
Morning YouTube. Just landed in Dubai. One hell of a ride. How was your first business class, my bro? Amazing. How are you saying? We've got a very busy 2 weeks ahead of us. It's Token 2049. I've got meetups to do with the community. I've got Boogie in, linking up with Luke Belmar, and plenty more. Welcome to Dubai. Today we're going to be going to the Luke Belmar Capital Club event. I got a cool story on how we actually organized this event too, and how we made friends with Luke Belmar. So it's going to be a cool one. We got about an hour or 2 hours before we kick things off. So I'll show you around the place, and then I will go through like how we managed to organize this thing too. So yeah, I'm very grateful to take you on this journey, and hopefully we see some crazy stuff. So welcome to the vlog, and yeah, let's take a look inside.
You wanna cry Miami? Huh. Or you rather cry Dubai? Too fly. She said she loving my new style. Oh shit, you slide, I slide, then the whole crew slide.
Alright, let me tell you a story of how I managed to pattern this whole thing and meet Luke Belmar and this type of stuff. It's a good one. Sit down and sit down. While we get ready and while the venue is organizing, and I want to show you guys, like, this is the reason why some people make it and some people don't make it, right? Luke Belmar put a post up on Instagram last year, and he was like, right, you know, we need a new venue. We keep packing out venues. And all I did was I messaged Belmar on Instagram, and I was like, hey bro, I can pattern this, you know? Tell me what you need, and it's done. I don't want no money. I didn't take no fees. I didn't do no middleman, get commission. And to be fair, I wasn't really like deep into social media. I didn't really know how big this venue was going to be. Right? It was a surprise to me. The first one sold out instantly, right? As soon as that happened, we was like, right, we got to do this again. As soon as the bull market came, BTC Harvey and me and Luke connected again, and he was like, bro, I'm going to do this one big time. This time, I want the whole of Kanakaf. It's going to be a movie. We're going to partner with Ton, we're going to partner with Jupiter, and we're going to make this the biggest event of Token 2049. Same again, no fees, no commission, nothing crazy. I just kept it pure. And in life, guys, being pure-hearted and being a nice person has managed to get me in circles that I could never even comprehend. It might make you a bit of money in the short term, but trust me, people don't like being taken advantage of. You know? So if you're somebody out there and you want to be able to do these type of things, you want to travel, you want to change your life, you want to change your circles precisely, just offer value with nothing. And you'll see, you'll get blessings, man. You'll get blessings, honestly. So yeah, I'll leave that there. I'm going to have some food, have a little bit of shisha breakfast, and then we'll hop into the event and start meeting some people, doing some networking, and yeah, breaking some people out the matrix.
Wow, man down.
Bro, I'm fucking gassed, bro.
2,000 people, bro.
Bro,
Which meetup?
movie. Fucking movie, bro.
Big good one. Thanks for setting it up, bro.
Bro, anytime, bro.
Down, you ain't really bad. Down, pat down. I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me, suck your mother.
Boxing week. Oh, okay. Oh, amazing. What? Come on, I gotta go save some of my members. I gotta go save some of my community. Ya Habibi, Ya Habibi. God, I'm fucking excited. You guys can't tell I'm fucking gassed. Yes, my guy.
Oh, yes.
How are you, bro? Good?
Good, bro. What are you saying, King?
I'm good, boys.
Fresh to death as always, bro.
As always, bro. I'm just sliding through, gonna get some of my guys. Look. Where you at? Ah, there you are, bro. I was looking for you, bro. How are you, bro? You good?
How are you,
Alhamdulillah, bro. I'm good. Come on.
Awesome.
You can come through. This is one guy, he worked for me. Come. It's Michael, Jihan. This is Jihan. You're gonna have to look after him. He's only a kid, bro. This guy is only like, how old are you again?
17.
He's only 17, bro. You have to look after him.
No, the shisha in there, you can't comment.
You can't, I know. Yeah, sit down, bro.
Please, bro, thank you.
I'm gonna nip inside and then I'll be back here. Alright, one love. Yeah, if anyone else in chat says you was too late, man, I was outside. You know what I mean? Alright, love. See, lucky. When you're doing these things, you can pull strings here and there, man. That was a close call. But that's it. If you're in the chat and you missed out, just know I was outside. I don't want to be hearing no talk in the chat. I came out, only Jihan was there. Whoosh. Hey. Sorry to interrupt. You're the guy that goes to the favelas. Sorry.
Am I in your chair?
No, it's fine, bro. You can sit there, bro. I see you've been some dangerous places. You know what I mean? You're the guy that goes to the favelas and that, yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. I seen you last time as well.
I just
think.
got kidnapped. So. I just got kidnapped. So.
What?
Yeah, I just came out of a 17-day kidnapping in Haiti.
What the fuck? In Haiti? How did you make it out?
We played chess.
Not checkers.
We played chess.
Fucking hell. How is it? It's a bit scary. I do venture capital. So we invest into early startups in the crypto space and Web3 space, seed and private realm mainly. And then I also have a YouTube channel where I educate new people about crypto and like try to be realistic. Most crypto channels are just shilling coins, shill coins, get paid to shill a coin, and me, I don't really like that, you know? My guy, you good? Oh, you looking dapper, lad. What's going on, celebrity? Yeah, good, bro, good. Pop inside, man, pop inside.
This is your videographer?
Yeah, it's my videographer. We organised this event.
Oh,
We organised this one.
With Lou?
Yeah, we
Your
organised
heart.
this one, last one. Organised Gem Club, me
When
up.
is the next one going to be?
I think the next one is in Malaysia.
Okay. Do you want to do a podcast with me? I think I'll...
Bro, of course, bro. I need to do all the podcasts.
Yeah. We have like 1.4 million followers on
Done.
Instagram.
Yeah, we'll
Get
pull up.
on it.
We'll pull up, man.
Cool.
You know what it is with my stuff? It's like, my side's VC, so it's all like inside, behind the scenes, XYZ. It's not really like, so the alpha that I've got is different. Amazing. Well, we will. We'll do some business, bro.
Say no
We'll do
more.
some business. Nice to meet you, bro.
Cool.
And the box off this vlog, and then we'll link up. You staying here?
Yeah.
All right, we'll chat more. We'll chat more.
love.
Look. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. It's been a movie. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Hang on, ask a nigga.
Welcome to episode 2.
I caterpillar all the way up and down the road for this cake.
Did you get to Myriad notes? Yeah, we do 1.3 million.
I don't wanna wait, nothing less. Hey, y'all told me that life's a game, much.